The fact that you can turn strangers into buyers with simple mindset, you're probably thinking, that sounds cheesy, Shelly. But seriously, it's the golden goose, and it's what tons of people are missing in their marketing mindset. Don't worry, I'm going to break it down for you. 1, stop selling. Seriously, stop trying to convince people to buy your product. Because the truth is, the world's best marketers, and in my term, it would be affiliate marketers, they don't sell. Do you know what they do? They transform. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you the single mindset shift that actually does turn strangers into buyers. And the AI secret that makes it all possible. You're probably thinking, Shelly, but my sales are just low and I need help. I got you. Do me a favor. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. And you don't even have to like the video, but if you get anything out of it at the end of the video, go ahead and give me a like. Since you're watching this video, I'm just guessing you're having problems struggling with conversion. You've probably got the traffic, and I'm just guessing you're probably utilizing the latest AI tools to help you with it. If not, you're definitely using them for content, and if you're not even using it for content, you should. But I'm guessing the sales aren't hitting. You're still stuck in that seller mindset. I was too. I've been there. I so get it. How do I get them to click my link? The problem isn't your product, and it's not your traffic. Because a lot of times people say, it's my traffic! No, it's not. It's your perspective. And that is where the buyer mindset comes in. Let's talk about 3 mindset shifts. Mind shift number 1, and maybe my favorite, is at the beginning. It's number 1. You are an architect, not a salesman. Architect. I'll explain. A salesman actually pushes a product. An architect builds a bridge. Your bridge is the gap between where your stranger or audience is stuck, frustrated, and broke. And where they want to be is free, successful, and financially secure. And of course, they're wanting time freedom. I know I did. So let's assume that we're talking about affiliate marketing. I like affiliate marketing. It's pretty easy to get into. Speaking of, go ahead and see if you don't know how to get started, check out my first link and I can help you out. But when you talk about your affiliate product, don't talk about the features. Man, I did that too in the beginning, and it just don't work because honestly, they don't care. Talk about the bridge it builds. Don't just talk about it. Visualize that thing. Seriously. I teach children's ministry, and I even tell them when I'm doing a lesson, and I'll be like, as I'm telling you the story, visualize it. If it helps a kid, it can help you. I'm serious. Come on. And that is honestly what a buyer is actually paying for. Not the features. They don't care. They don't care about you. They care about them and how you can help them. Mind shift number 2, the doubter, it's your best friend. But a doubter isn't a lost cause. A doubter is someone who's been burned before. They're skeptical because they're actually smart. And nobody likes to get burned. Your job is to address the skepticism before they even ask. You do this with radical transformation. Show the structure, show the cost, show the time commitment. When you show them the whole picture, they stop being a doubter and they start being a fan who actually trusts your recommendations. Mind shift number 3, focus on the first win, not the final goal. The final goal, heck, is quitting your job. That's overwhelming. A stranger, they ain't gonna buy into that, but they'll buy into a first win. The first $100 they make, the first lead, the first time that they finally feel that they get it. And if you actually have been there, you got your first lead, you got your first $100, you got your first 10 followers, then you already get it. Your content, your affiliate product, it has to be focused, must be positioned as the fastest, clearest path to that first win. The first win is your goal. This is the only way to turn a stranger into a buyer. If that makes sense, do me a favor and give me a heart emoji in the comments. Now, let's talk about how a little bit of some AI can help you. You know I'm an AI girl. Let's do it. This is what I call the AI affiliate secret. And I'm going to give it to you on this YouTube video for free. Now you're probably wondering, how does AI fit into this whole buyer mindset? Glad you asked, because it's the secret sauce. It's what makes it all scalable. Look at it like this. The mindset is the engine. AI is the turbocharger. The secret? Use AI to automate the architect's work, not the salesman's work. The salesman's fired. For example, instead of asking ChatGPT to write you a sales script, ask it to outline the 5 biggest pain points for someone trying to quit their job that has a 9 to 5. And this is what I do. So I'm just using this as an example. You might be doing something else, but just roll with it. Just roll with me, okay? You can also put my examples in ChatGPT and say you're a planter and say, this is what she does for affiliate marketing. Transform this into what I do. And it'll help you do that. Okay, let's go back to the bridge. You're using AI to build a better bridge. Visualize it. Okay, we got some old funky bridge and it's unky, and we're going to use AI and we're going to make it beautiful. And you know how a lot of marketers, they just try to be louder? We don't even have to shout louder. You're using it to understand your buyer's mindset even more than they understand it themselves. And being in a buyer's mind, that's golden right there. All right, this is the AI affiliate secret. Mindset first, then automation. The mindset actually tells you what to build. Then AI helps build it faster. And remember I said the goal is to get someone the money or the result or what they want faster. I use the example plants. We want those plants to grow as fast as possible before anyone else is trying to teach them how to do it. So let's recap. Stop selling, start transforming. Be the architect, embrace the doubter, and focus on the first win. Now, if you want the exact step-by-step system that gives you confidence to apply this mindset and build your affiliate business, the system that helped me not ever look to a 9 to 5 ever again, then I have a clear next step for you. All you have to do is check out the first link in the description. Don't wait since this video is over, get started, because half the people that I coach, the hardest thing to do is for them is just to start. Whether it's, starting in a program, starting something free that they get, starting a video, literally it's just starting. So the hardest part to do is start. So tell yourself you're going to start. It's the framework that teaches you how to build the bridge, step by step. And it's the perfect first win for anyone turning strangers into buyers. Click that link and let's start building that bridge. It leads to financial freedom. There might be something else that I've created down for you in the description as well. I do like to over deliver. Go ahead, start building, and I'll see you in the next video because I'm in it. Get it? See you there.